Hello, New York Kurdish Film Festival. This is Ross Domoney here, co-director of the documentary Threads of a Revolution. I made this film alongside my friend, who is the producer and also the co-director, Danny Mitchell. Over the last 5 years, we have been on quite a journey getting this film crafted into the amazing story that it is. It comes out of the revolutionary potential that we captured in the north and east of Syria in 2019. Now, over these last years, we have had so many editing sessions, storyboarding sessions, kind of group sessions with our small team that we've gathered to make sure that we cut this footage in the most powerful way possible. And after all of this creative struggle, we are so happy to say that we have finally locked off this film and that we're going to be playing it to you all over there in New York. We really can't wait for this kind of collaborative and immersive experience with the audience at the New York Kurdish Film Festival, and we're so honoured that you took on our film. So from England, me and Danny say hi, and we can't wait to meet you all. Thanks a lot for choosing our film.